Hello creators, are you ready to transform your ideas into stunning videos? Meet our One AI, the revolutionary video generator that simplifies video creation. Whether it's business presentations, explainer videos, or content for social media, our One AI makes it effortless. Let's dive into how you can create incredible videos step by step. Step 1. Sign up for our One AI. Visit our1.ai and create a free account. The interface is intuitive and perfect for beginners. Step 2. Choose your video template. Once logged in, explore a variety of professionally designed templates. These are tailored for different purposes, such as tutorials, product showcases, or marketing videos. For this tutorial, we'll use the explainer video template. Step 3. Input your script. Enter your video script in the text box provided. Our One AI supports multiple languages, so you can craft your content for any audience. The AI will automatically analyze the script and suggest an engaging structure. Step 4. Select a virtual presenter. Choose from a library of realistic AI-generated presenters. These avatars can narrate your script with professional delivery. Customize their appearance, tone, and language to suit your video style. Step 5. Customize visuals. Add backgrounds, images, and graphics to enhance your video. Our One AI also allows you to upload your brand assets for a personalized touch. Step 6. Preview and edit. Preview your video to ensure everything looks perfect. Adjust animations, tweak the timing, or refine the visuals until it's just right. Step 7. Export and share. Once satisfied, export your video in high quality. Our One AI offers various aspect ratios for different platforms, so you're ready to post on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok instantly. And there you have it. With our One AI, creating professional, engaging videos has never been easier. Try it today and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.